Good morning everyone. I am Chef Rajaram. Today I am going to make Kadahi Paneer. It is a very popular dish in India. We will learn very simple method for making the Kadahi Paneer. The ingredients for Kadahi Paneer is we need paneer, capsicum, onion, chop masala, cumin seed, whole red chili, coriander seed, crushed peppercorn, cream, cashew nut magaj paste, butter, salt, sugar, cooking oil. Now we are going to cut the paneer into cubes. Now we will cut the capsicum into dices. We have already washed the capsicum. कैप्सिकम को मैंने पहले ही से ही वॉश कर लिया था. We must remove the seeds of the capsicum. Now we will cut the onions into dices. Like this way. And put in the bowl. Now we are going to cook the Kadahi Paneer. First light up the gas and warm the pan. Put some oil in it. When oil becomes hot, जब तेल गर्म हो जाए, then add some cumin seed, whole coriander seed, whole red chili and wait for crackling. जब खारे मसाले क्रैकलिंग करने लगे add some chopped masala in it. Put some hot water. Cook on the slow fire. Add some cashew nut paste. Cashew nut paste is a thickening agent. When we add the cashew nut paste, the color of chopped masala will change. इसको तब तक पकाएं जब तक कुकिंग ऑयल मसाले के ऊपर ना आ जाए. Look at now, oil comes on top. It means our कढ़ाई masala is ready. Keep this masala separate. Take another pan. When pan becomes hot, add some oil in it. Add capsicum, add onion, add a pinch of salt in it, just peppercorn, and cook capsicum and onion till becomes सॉफ्ट. कैप्सिकम और अनियन को हम तब तक पकाएंगे जब तक ये सॉफ्ट हो जाए. बीच बीच में इसको हिलाते रहे. We must toss these vegetables to stop burning. Our capsicum and onion is fully cooked now. We will add the kadahi masala in it. Mix in the pan. always use the hot water. The reason is to maintain the temperature of the dish. हमेशा इसमें गर्म पानी ही डालें, जो टेम्परेचर होता है डिश का उसको मेंटेन करने के लिए. Now I will add the paneer. Mix it. In hotels, generally we toss it. Some cream. And mix it. After adding the paneer, we must cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on slow fire. Check the salt. If required, add it. Otherwise, no need to add the salt. I will add a pinch of salt in it. Little bit crushed peppercorn and mix it. Now our kadahi paneer is ready to serve the guest. To enhance the flavor, taste, at the end, if you wish, you can add little bit ghee in it also. Our kadahi paneer is ready now. We are going to serve to the guest now. इस कढ़ाई पनीर में मैंने पनीर को फ्राई नहीं किया है. आई हैव नॉट फ्राइड द पनीर. अगर आप पनीर को फ्राई करना चाहें तो आप फ्राई कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू फ्राई द पनीर यू कैन फ्राई इट. आपने इस वीडियो में यह देखा होगा कि मैंने ग्रेवी और कैप्सिकम और पनीर को अलग अलग कुक किया था. इसका मेन रीज़न यह है कि अगर हम दोनों को शुरू में ही साथ में कुक करते तो जो वेजिटेबल्स थे कैप्सिकम और अनियन वो ओवर कुक हो जाते. इसलिए मैंने इसको सेपरेट कुक किया था. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. You can also try this recipe at your home.